Hello students, myself Harshal Nilkante Nemade, lecturer in mechanical department. We will start with numerical on simply supported beam. First, draw a SFD and BMD for a simply supported beam shown in figure. So in this figure, we have to draw a SFD and BMD for the figure shown. So we have one span of 6 meter from left hand side up to 4 meter. One force is acting 10 kilonewton on the span, and there are two forces Ra and Rb for at the end of the A and B point of the span. They are known as support reaction. Okay, starting with our numerical, let Ra and Rb be the support reaction at a point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force is positive, downward force is negative. Ra plus Rb is minus 10 is equal to 0. So Ra plus Rb is equal to 10. It will be equation 1. So 10 kilonewton. It will be the equation 1. Take moment of all the forces about point A. At point A we have to take the moment. Summation of MA is equal to 0. Okay, clockwise rotation it will positive, anti-clockwise rotation it will be negative. Ra multiplied by 0, okay, plus 10 multiplied by 4 minus Rb multiplied by 6 is equal to 0. I will solve. I will get Rb is equal to 6.66 kilonewton. Put this in equation 1. I will get Ra value that 3.33 kilonewton. So Ra and Rb value I have got. Ra is equal to 3.33 kilonewton and Rb value I got 6.66 kilonewton. So we will start with our SFD and BMD. So first SF calculation. So in SF calculation you may see the sign convention. As I told, section, there is one I will make one section to left hand side upward force and section to right hand side downward force. It will be a positive. Section to left hand side downward force, section to right hand side upward force, it will be the negative. So SF at AL means A left. Okay, so I will make a section to the left hand side of the A. Okay, so I will get 0 kilonewton. SF at AR. Okay, I will look at the left hand side only. Okay, SF at AR, I will make one section to the right hand side and looking to the left. So I will get A is SF at AR is equal to 3.33 kilonewton. To SF at C left is equal to 3.33 kilonewton. SF at CR is equal to, now you may see two forces, one is upward and one is downward. So upward force is 3.33 minus downward force is minus 10. I will solve. I will get the value 3.33 minus 10 is equal to minus 6.66 kilonewton. SF at BL is equal to same value whatever I got, minus 6.66 kilonewton. SF at BR, so I will get three forces, two upward and one downward. First upward force is 3.33 minus 10 downward force and plus 6.66. I will solve. I will get 0 kilonewton. Now I will mark on the diagram. So I will stretch all the line of the force. See, I have done orange color line you may see in the figure. So I will draw one horizontal line 0 0. After horizontal line, SF at AL is 0. Okay, so I will take AR on A line only. I will take it 3.33 upward. So I will take a vertical straight line to upward, then then horizontal straight line in right hand side where the 10 kilonewton force is acting. CL, okay, SF at CL is 3.33. okay, after that CR is minus 6. So I will go directly down minus 6. Okay, after minus 6 it will be go to the B point minus 6.66. It will be straight horizontal line, and after horizontal line again it will join to the 0. Upward portion will be a positive and downward portion will be a negative. This is your SFD, okay, in kilonewton. Okay, now I will calculate the BM calculation. In BM calculation there are two, one is sagging and other is hugging. In sagging moment it is positive and in hugging moment it is a negative. Okay, bending moment at A is equal to 0 kilonewton per meter, kilonewton meter. Okay, not per, it will be not per, kilonewton meter. Okay, BM at C, bending moment at C point is equal to, so you may see at C point what will be the bending moment. So I will take from the RA, I will take moment from the RA multiply by 4. Answer will be 13.32 kilonewton meter. Okay, BM at B point, bending moment at B point, 3.33 multiplied by 6 minus 10 multiplied by 2. Okay, so I will get 0 kilonewton. I will get 0 kilonewton. Whatever I got, I will mark on the diagram. So I will make one straight line 0 0. SF bending moment at 8 point is 0 and bending moment at B point is 0. I will make straight line. So whatever value I got on bending moment at C, it is 13.32 kilonewton. I will mark and I will join the figure. Okay, it will be the positive. I have given one note upward point where SF change its sign at the point B, bending moment will be a maximum. Okay, wherever the SFD sign is changed at that point there will be a maximum bending moment. Okay, always keep in mind. Next sum, draw a SFD and BMD for a loaded beam shown below. Let RA and RB be the support reaction at point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. RA plus RB minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to 0. I will solve. I will get RA plus RB is equal to 12 kilonewton. It will be the equation 1. Taking moment of all the forces about A, summation of MA is equal to 0. Clockwise force is positive and anti-clockwise force is negative. So first RA multiplied by 0 plus 2 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 6 multiplied by 6 minus RB multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. RB value I will get 7 kilonewton. I will put in equation 1. I will get RA value is equal to 5 kilonewton. Now I will start with SF calculation and BM calculation. For SF calculation, you may see I have again made the sections. Okay, section, so whatever points are there, at each and every point you have to make one section to left and make one section to the right. After making the section, you have to always look to the left side only, whichever force I am getting or not. Okay, so see, at SF at AL means A left. Okay, so I will one make section. I will look at left hand side, there is no figure. Okay, it will be 0 kilonewton. Now on the span only to right side, okay, at 8 right I will make one section. I will get to left side only one force which is upward, and that is RA value, that is 5 kilonewton. Okay, now again at C left I will get again one force, that is 5 kilonewton. At C right I will get 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 kilonewton. Okay, again at D left I will get 5 minus 2 is equal to 3 kilonewton. At D right I will get 5 minus 2 minus 4 is equal to minus 1 kilonewton. At E left also I will get same value, minus 1 kilonewton. At E right I will get the value 5 minus 2 minus 4 minus 6 is equal to minus 7 kilonewton. At B left I will get same value, minus 7 kilonewton, but at B right I will get a value that is a 0 kilonewton. So whatever value I have got in SF calculation, I will mark on the diagram. Okay, I will make one straight line horizontal in middle, and that will be a 0 0. Okay, after 0 0 I will start with a left 0. I will mark on same point. Okay, from same point it will move 5 kilonewton on a line only. AR is 5 kilonewton, CL 5 kilonewton. So I will take one horizontal straight line to the left hand side, right hand side, sorry, not left hand side, it will go to the right hand side. Okay, from right hand side it will, on C point only it will get decreased, that will be a 3 kilonewton. On D point it will be a 3 kilonewton. From at D point only it will become a, at D point only it will become a minus 1 kilonewton. From minus 1 kilonewton again I will go to the right hand side. Okay, make a, I will make a horizontal line to the right hand side, and it will be a minus 1 kilonewton at E point. E point. From E point only ER it will be a minus 7. So I will take one straight line from minus 1 to minus sorry minus 1 to minus 7. Okay, after that at BL it will be a minus 7 only. From, and at BR it will be a 0. I will join the line and I will get a SFD. Okay, upper portion is plus and downward portion is minus. Bending calculation. Okay, BM calculation, bending moment calculation, and one is sagging and one is hogging. Okay, bending moment at A is equal to bending moment at B is equal to 0 kilonewton since extreme end of the beam. Okay, so bending moment at C is equal to how much? You may see at C point it will be a 5 multiplied by 2. Okay, is equal to how much? 10 kilonewton per meter, 10 kilonewton meter. Okay, at D point it will be 5 multiplied by 4 minus 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 16 kilonewton meter. At E point it will be a 5 into 6 minus 2 into 4 minus 4 into 2 is equal to 14 kilonewton. Or you can write RB value is how much? RB value I have got how much? RB value I have got 7 kilonewton. Okay, those 7 multiplied by 2 how much? 14 kilonewton. From both sides you will calculate, you will get BM bending moment at E is equal to same, that is 14 kilonewton meter. Okay, I will mark each and every point. Okay, from 0 it will be a 10 at C point, from 10 it will be a 16 at D point, and at E point it will be a 14. So whatever points I mark I will join and I will get the BMD diagram in kilonewton meter. Now next, draw a SFD and BMD for a load of a beam shown below. Okay, again there is the same diagram. Let RA and RB be the support reaction at the point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. RA plus RB is minus 40 minus 60 is equal to 0. RA and RB I will get 100 kilonewton. It is equation number 1. Taking moment at point A. Okay, clockwise rotation plus, anti-clockwise rotation minus. So RA multiplied by 0 plus 40 multiplied by 2 plus 60 multiplied by 6 minus RB multiplied by 8 is equal to 0. RB value I will get 55 kilonewton. I will put in equation 1. I will get RA value, that is 45 kilonewton. After that I will calculate the SF calculation. Whatever the SF calculation I have get, I will mark on the diagram. Okay, SF at AL 0, so I 0 I have marked. SF at AR is 45, so I will take one straight vertical line upward. So SF at CL, so I will take to a right hand side horizontal straight line 40, from 45 to 45 only. I will go from A point to C point. Okay, straight. Okay, After that, at C point only it will come down. How much? It will be a 5 kilonewton. Okay. At D point it will go how much? It will again a 5 kilonewton. From 5 kilonewton at same D point it will go downward minus 55 kilonewton. At B point also it will be 55 kilonewton. So I will join straight horizontal line. After that, at B point only it will join to the 0 point. Okay, so upward portion will be a positive and downward portion will be a negative. Bending moment calculation. So bending moment calculation, BM at A and BM at B is equal to 0. Why? Since extreme end of the beam. Okay, so I will calculate BM at C is equal to how much? 45. Okay, 45 is your RA value. 45 into distance is 2. At from the RA distance is 2 to the C point. Okay, 45 into 2 I will get 90 kilonewton meter. Okay, at D point I will calculate from RB and it will be a 55 multiplied by 2. I will get 55 multiplied by 2, not 55. From right hand side I will calculate 45 multiplied by 2 minus 40 multiplied by 2 is equal to how much? It will be a 10 kilonewton meter. Okay, after getting the value I will mark that on the diagram. First 0 point, BM at A and BM at B. At C point it is a 90 and at D point it is a 10. So I will mark a point. After marking a point I will join the diagram and I will get the whole diagram of the BMD in kilonewton meter and a SFD diagram in kilonewton. So now next sum. Draw SF and BM diagram for a simply supported beam of a span L carrying a central point load W. State the value of the maximum SF and maximum BM. Okay, so they have given only a variables. Okay, span of is there at the center, W is acting, span carries a L length. I have supported with RA and RB. Okay, so wherever W is acting it will act on the middle of the L. Okay, so L divided by 2 and L divided by 2 on the distance. Let RA and RB be the support reaction at the point A and B. Summation of Fy is equal to 0. Upward force positive, downward force negative. RA and RA plus RB minus W is equal to 0. RA plus RB is equal to W. Okay, it will be equation 1. Taking moment at point A, summation of moment at A is equal to 0. Clockwise rotation positive, anti-clockwise rotation negative. So RA multiplied by 0 bracket W multiplied by L by 2 minus RB multiplied by L is equal to 0. So RB multiplied by L is equal to W into L by 2. So I will write RB is equal to W into L by 2 divided by L. So it will be therefore RB is equal to W into L by 2 multiplied by 1 upon L. So L I will get cancel. I will get RB value, it is W divided by 2 and I will put in equation 1. I will get RA plus W divided by 2 is equal to W. So therefore RA is equal to W upon 1 minus W upon 2. So therefore RA is equal to 2W minus W divided by 2. So it will be RA is equal to W divided by 2. Or since the point is acting at the center of the beam, so therefore RA is equal to W is RA is equal to RB is equal to W divided by 2. Okay, easily you can write. You don't need to calculate this RB and RA. You can write since the point is acting at the center of the beam, therefore RA and RB value is W divided by 2. SF calculations for that figure. SF at AL is equal to 0 kilonewton. SF at AR is W divided by 2. SF at CL is equal to W divided by 2. SF at CR is W divided by 2 minus W is equal to minus W divided by 2. Okay, at BL is this W divided by 2 minus W is equal to minus W divided by 2, and at BR is 0. Whatever the SF I have values I got, I will mark on the diagram and I will get the diagram. Same thing for the BM calculation. BM at A and BM at B is 0 since the extreme end of the beam. Okay, so at C point, BM bending moment at C is equal to W divided by 2 multiplied by L divided by 2 is equal to WL upon 4. Okay, so highest maximum bending moment is it will be a WL divided by 4. So the maximum value shear force is W divided by 2 and bending moment is WL by 4. Whatever they have asked, I have calculated. Thank you.